Do you know how professionals securely connect to Linux servers from anywhere in the world? In this video, I'll show you the real workflow used by developers, system administrators, and enterprise engineers. First, we use WireGuard to create a secure VPN tunnel between your system and the Linux server. This helps protect your connection and gives secure remote access. Next, we connect to the Linux server using PuTTY through SSH, allowing us to manage the server directly from Windows using terminal commands. After that, we use WinSCP to securely transfer files between Windows and Linux servers with an easy graphical interface. You'll also learn how Linux administrators create multiple users, manage permissions, provide secure access to students or employees, and maintain professional server environments. This is the same type of setup used in training institutes, cloud servers, enterprise environments, DevOps systems, and remote infrastructure management. In upcoming videos, I'll cover everything from basic to advanced: WireGuard VPN setup, SSH security, Linux user management, server monitoring, firewall protection, WinSCP configuration, automation, and real-world Linux administration. So if you want to learn Linux, VPNs, servers, and professional system administration step by step, this channel is for you. Subscribe now, turn on the bell icon, and comment VPN for the complete full-length tutorial series coming soon.